Okay, friends. I'm
Okay.
sorry. No more questions. Sir, thank you. Thank you very much. సో మీరు ఇప్పుడు దాకా చూసారు కదా, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 2 గంటల నుంచి కూడాను ఇలాగా మీరు అడిగిన ప్రతి ప్రశ్నకు కూడా సమాధానం ఇస్తూ కన్విన్సింగ్ వెళ్తున్నారంటే దాని వెనకాల ఒకటే ఒక కారణం కదా, మదర్లీ నేచర్. అంటే లవింగ్ ఆల్, అందరినీ కూడా. కాబట్టి మేడం చెప్తుంది అదేను, మీరు పైకి ఎదగండి, అలా ఇంకొకళ్ళకి చక్కగా ఒక హెల్పింగ్ హ్యాండ్ ఇవ్వండి. ఇంకా అంతకు మించిన సొసైటీ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? అద్భుతమైన సొసైటీ అక్కడే ఉంటుంది. మాకు ఎపెక్స్లో నాగేశ్వర సార్ 24 గంటలు చెప్పేది అనమాట. ఐ మీన్ యూ గ్రో అండ్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ యూ హెల్పింగ్ హ్యాండ్ టు అదర్స్ టు గ్రో. అది చక్కగా ఉండాలని ఇక్కడ. సో లలిత మేడం గారు, ఈ సమయంలో జస్ట్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు రిక్వెస్ట్ అవర్ బిలో డైరెక్టర్ సార్ టు సే ఫ్యూ లైన్స్. సార్ నాగేశ్వర గారు నమస్తే సార్. సార్
Namaste, Ravi.
సార్ సార్ సార్
Could you hear me?
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్.
Yes, sir. Oh, nice. It's a wonderful session, Ravi. Really wonderful. The way Madam answered, highly matured and experienced. Really, we enjoyed ourselves. Quite attentive in listening to her all the way, and the students also asked good questions. So it is really altogether a wonderful session.
Sir, for many days, our students are very eager to see you, sir. I mean, number of times there in the classrooms, I tell you, my nice sir, just here Gopi, Soumya, all these people are very eager to see you, sir.
The way you quoted some example where a boy was asked to get on the ladder and then jump in the sand, and then what would be the reaction of the father? Really, is a nice example you quoted, Ravi. Heart-touching example, and how people react on the same situation. People react in different ways. So it all depends on the maturity of the. But especially, the youth need proper guidance right from the childhood, but mainly from the parents. Our home, our family is the best education institution. If we fail in our family system, ultimately the load of our disturbances are transferred to the children, and they'll end up in troubles in the future course of time. Therefore, yesterday one lady asked me, "Sir, do you conduct online classes?" Then I asked, for whom? For 6 years old boy who is studying in first class. Then I asked her, what is your qualification? MCA. Can't you deal with? No, he's very troublesome. I can't deal. Then who can deal on online with for a first class child? Is it possible? Being an MCA graduate, now the parents do not allow the students to play outside. At least 2 hours, the children should be given an opportunity to play outside with their friends, whatever the game they wish, either small game or bigger game, whatever they think. They should spend with their with the students of with the friends of their age. That is one thing. Then mental health. As one goes in the beginning stories, then bigger books, good books. One should be able to read at least 2 to 3 hours general books. That we should parents should ensure at home. If they don't get the proper guidance in the school level, then at least the schools, education institutions should take care. Sometimes parents may not be mature to handle the children, especially from the rural areas. Of course, educated parents in urban areas deal with them and educate them, give them books, whether they read or not, they guide them. Teachers, if they guide them in the right direction, that's good. Then social health, that's very important. Parents should take the children to the various functions, and they should actually teach morals, to respect elders. Once they start respecting elders, that is the best education what they receive. Then the parents say, "Oh, he's a West man." They introduce, "Oh, he's a West man. That man is West man." If they introduce like this, ultimately, people develop all negative qualities, and then you don't expect what is expected from them. Hence, parents should guide them, and that social health is, totally it is in the hands of the parents. Children are immature. The way if you put a white cloth in a red color, it turns to be red. If you put it in black, then it turns to be black. So is the case of the mind of a child. So the social health also has to be ensured by the parents. Then spiritual health. See, we live on the earth for a short time of 70 to 80 years. We won't be happy as long as we live. We can be happy when we are guided by the principles of Mahabharata, Ramayana, or Bible or Quran. They teach all good things. They never teach anything bad. We don't find even a one negative sentence, one negative word in any of the scriptures. So if you ensure these four traits of personality, physical, mental, intellectual, and spiritual aspects, then definitely we can see very good children, very good youth, very good society. We don't have to think on these lines. So that's what I want to say, Ravi, as you asked me. Thank you very much. Lovely, very nice.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. So many days our students have been asking, sir, actually. They want to see you and talk to you
I
once.
wish your children will be happy, successful life.
Sir,
At the same time, I want to leave a message because most of the people, that girl Durga, what she asked, all these things, they are all matured. There are two things very important. I have been insisting right from the beginning: professional and partner. So, in these two aspects, decision making is very, very important. If they are unable to take, our education should aim at making them to take right decisions at the right time. It's usually not the parents, not the teachers. They have to take. They have to. They are the masters of their minds. As they grow to the age of 20, they should be able to take independent decisions to, to develop up themselves to the higher heights for their growth. Oh, my father told me, my mother told me like this, I did, my friend guided me like this, I was misguided. These are wrong things. One should apply one's own discriminating power. So that one should develop. And what touched me in the last 2 to 3 years, one quotation: if you follow these 4 principles, we will be happy as long as we live. అది మూర్ఖులతో వాదించకూడదు. ఎవరు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి అలవాటు వాళ్ళు, వీడు పలానా వాడు మూర్ఖుడు, వాడు ఫ్రెండ్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఇంకోళ్ళు అవ్వచ్చు. మూర్ఖులతో వాదించకూడదు, దుష్టులతో స్నేహం చేయకూడదు, దొంగలతో పరిచయం ఉండకూడదు, అసమర్థులతో వ్యాపారం చేయకూడదు, ఇష్టం లేని పెళ్లి చేయకూడదు, చేసుకోకూడదు. ఈ 5 ప్రిన్సిపల్సే కనుక పాటించారంటే వాళ్ళ జీవితం ధన్యం అవుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ రవి ఫర్ గివింగ్ మీ సపోర్ట్.
Thank you very much, sir.
Students to be very happy. Thank you very much.
Sir, Durga is the girl actually who came to our Apex Institute Guntur, sir, to take her certificate, sir. One day I gave you one certificate, sir. I asked, okay. Yeah, this is the girl, sir. This is the girl, sir, Durga. She belongs to Guntur. Yes,
I like players, wonderful. See, apart from education, unless they have got physical strength, they can't handle the situations in future. And through games, a child develops a lot. Now, the most important drawback what we notice in our education system is that the children are not given proper opportunities to play. So, without physical development, we can't expect mental growth. So, anyway, nice, Ravi.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I feel so happy to see you, sir. Here is our students. Then for many days, these people are asking, sir, when will you show me your sir, like that. Gopi, especially from Amaravati. Sir.
See, Lalita madam, Ravikant and Vani, I just checked up a few days ago. More than 30 faculty members worked with me. I worked with them, in fact. But you 3 are, in my mind forever, Ravi. Really wonderful. The way you teach it, it's not the language, what you teach, along with the language, adding morals, adding values to teaching is really very important for a teacher. That's what I could see in all the 3 of you. Really, I remember you, now you people, so nice. Wonderful, Ravi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. In fact, actually,
you are maintaining the same, qualities of education. Really, I feel very happy. I feel proud of you, Ravi. Thank you.